Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in to another YouTube video. So I am on earlier than I expected. This is my day 5 hair. This is not day 7 hair. It's looking pretty rough. But it's not looking rough because of like the products I used or the method I used. It's looking rough because I just been rough on my hair. And you know, we're in quarantine. I just look rough in general. Like I've just been in the house for days, so I kind of look a little bit out of it, but that's okay. I wanted to come on and show you guys my day 5 hair results. I have been just wearing my hair in this loose pineapple just because my perm rods have stretched out. So I will show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So I sleep with my hair in a pineapple, right? But for perm rods, I'm gonna have to figure out a different way to sleep with my hair, because when I put it in the pineapples, it stretches out, all the underneath stretches out, which normally for like a wash and go, braid out, twist out, that's perfectly fine because you can always just refresh your curls and get them back to how they were. But with the perm rods, the shape is already there, and if you add product, that's gonna mess up the perm rod shape. So you kind of just have to let your hair do its own thing. And mine got stretched out so you guys can see what I'm talking about. But on top, the part that didn't get stretched out still looks so good, you guys. Like my perm, I still have really perfect spirals. I separated my hair a lot, so there's a lot more curlies up in here. But yeah, my perm rod set definitely lasted till 5 days. But the stretching from the pineapple the stretching from putting my hair in a pineapple is what's kind of like throwing me off, and which is why I'm not really wearing it down after what, day 3 I stopped wearing it down, just because it did get so stretched out and it did get kind of funny looking to me, and I just didn't want to wear it. Plus I'm at home, so I just kept it up in the pineapple. So Tgin, the products were amazing, like perfect results. I did use too much product when I did the perm rod set, which really just annoyed me. I just used way too much product and it gave me some of that white stuff, but I literally have no white stuff in my hair, y'all. None. Like the oil that I used, it just, you know, dissolved the white stuff that was in my hair. So yes, this is my day 5 update. Looking crazy, but looking crazy because of the shape, not because my hair isn't still, you know, moisturized and defined and hydrated. So wash day episode 6 is coming up, and I will be trying, oh gosh you guys, something I've never done before. I will be attempting curly clip-ins, and I've never done clip-ins before. I don't wear weave. If I do wear extra hair, it's from Protective Styles, Feed and Hairstyles. So I honestly don't know how to put these clip-ins in, but I'm gonna do a little bit of research and go ahead and figure it out. I'm gonna figure it out. So thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I will see you guys in quarantine wash day episode 6, and thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next one.